Hey guys, hey, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Pinky Bling. I know my regular guys, I know you miss me. I have been so busy with this damn business, but you know, if you like this look, ooh, let me get into the sun. Ooh, the sun is hitting my face. Yes. So if you like this look, ooh, wow, this is nice. Let me come in closer so you can, ooh. Yes guys, so if you like this look here and if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned guys. And also this little cute top is from my boutique. Ooh, let me step out so you guys can see it. Hold up, let's see. Maybe if I turn this way, step out a bit. Yes, so this cute little top is from this boutique here, and let me see what the name of it so I can tell you what to look for on my website. Hold up. This cute little top is called Baby Doll, and this is in the color mustard, and this is only $30, so go get you one.
Post to the paparazzi, say cheese. My name Pinky Bling, get any man with ease. OMG, can I get a cup of tea? Those bloody yellow fellas is all over me. Post to the paparazzi, say cheese.
Okay guys, so now we are going in with the moisturizer. This is, it's not showing so clear, but it is the Kimberly Pink Soothing Moisturizer. I think I'll insert a picture somewhere on the screen so you can see what it looks like exactly. But it's a soothing moisturizer, and I'm going in, I'm just rubbing that in, making sure I moisturize the face properly because it's a very dry time, and you know, gotta get it all right, no cracks at all. So now we're going to be grooming the eyebrow with a dual tip brow groomer. Then we're going to use a brown pencil. This brown pencil that I'm using is from Kimberly Pink Cosmetics also. And I don't think it's on the website, but upon request, it will definitely be on there. So now we're just filling in the eyebrows with the pencil. And then we're going to go ahead with the dual tip brow groomer, as you see right here, and blend that in so we can have a natural, let me come in closer so you can see what I'm talking about, so we can have a natural looking eyebrow when we're cleaning it all up. You'll see what I'm talking about in a few. Just watch.
Everything me have on hard, and them a beg me big come. Me a drip like stam, and them a beg me big come. Everything me have on hard, them can't keep up lead me.
So now we're going to be cleaning up the eyebrows with this Concealing Cream from Kimberly Pink Cosmetics also, and that is the shade 125. But I'm going to mix that right there with another shade, a lighter shade, to give to clean up the eyebrows. See, I kind of like to use a lighter shade so it can be more defined. Even though your concealing cream should be 2 shades lighter, mine is probably like 4. So right now I'm just applying the concealer to the top and the bottom, then I'm going to be blending it out with my blending brush, and I am just blending away. I am going in, making sure that, you know, it's all cleaned up, and blend away because we don't want it to be too defined. We want it to look natural at the end of it all.
I fly no drive a long distance. With BBS chain, your seats on one makeup on my face. And my brand. Kimberly Pink Cosmetics. Investment, me don't set it. Yeah, me drip well hard, you can't catch it. Bad mind like your mom, genetic. Me a drip like stam, and them a beg me big come. Everything me have on hard, and them a beg me big come. Me a drip like stam, and them a beg me big come. Everything me have on hard, them can't keep up lead me gone.
So now I'm going to use the same concealer that I used to clean up the brows as a base. so we can add the eyeshadow. And I'm just blending that out just the same as I blended out the concealer above to clean up the eyebrow, just so everything can be cohesive. Yes.
And them a beg me fi come, come. Me a drip like stam, stam. And them a beg me fi come, come. Everything me have on, them can't keep up, bleed me gone, gone. Me a drip like stam, stam. And them a beg me fi come, come. Everything me have on, and them a beg.
Okay, so now that we're finished blending out the concealing cream on the eyelids, we're gonna go ahead now with our Kimberly Pink Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow color palette. Yay! And I like this palette because it's like it has all the colors you need. Like once you open it and pull it apart, it's like it's a must-have palette. I definitely recommend this for every person that loves makeup. This is a must-have palette for sure.
Girls night out. Girls night out.
So now I'm going in with this light gray color and I'm gonna be blending for dear life. I mean, it's very pigmented as you can see, but I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna blend until I'm satisfied and apply as much as I think that, you know, I want to be right at that spot, and move on to the next eyelid. And look at me blending for dear life. I love it. Blending, you cannot go wrong with blending at all. Moving on to the next eye, and we're doing the same thing, blending for dear life, adding and blending as we go, just so you can have a smooth transition all the way.
Right now we are party and I do it. We are rave all night, braffing on the streets. You see?
Girls night out, the girl them sexy and clean tonight. You say Hennessy, make the girls them feel so nice. If your man now move right tonight, need key tonight. Girls night out, the girl them sexy and clean tonight.
Now we're moving on to the transition in color. So this is pretty much as what it states, it's transitioning into the next color to smooth out the first color. So everything blends smoothly. And yes, for the third color now, it's gonna be, you know, equally blended. And remember, blending, you cannot go wrong with blending. Blend for dear life, darling. Blending is definitely the way to go, because you can blend anything together, like, and you have a flawless look. Blend for dear life.
Girls night out, we are gonna party anyway. Girls night, a girls night, girls night. We have fun, we are party all night. Girls night out, a girls night, a girls night. We are party all night. If me man vex, we will fight. I'm joking.
Girls night out, the girl them sexy and clean tonight. You say Hennessy, make the girls them feel so nice. If your man now move right tonight, need key tonight. Girls night out, the girl them sexy and clean tonight.
Really, baby? Yeah, this man, fucking. I've been pushing more coming up, man. Say no, say, man. Yeah, man, first up, say, man.
Okay, so now that we're done blending for dear life, we're gonna go ahead with this. I believe I got this mascara from a beauty supply store. You can find this mascara in any beauty supply store, I believe, but I think it's called NK. I like it because it's a fine point and it gets all my little tiny eyelash. It really does. Look at me going in there, getting all them little tiny eyelash, so I can put on my eyelash at a later time. Yes, we are going in. Don't forget the bottom lashes. Can't forget the bottom lashes at all, because you know that makes the eyes pop if you don't put on the mascara on the bottom lashes. I just think that something is missing from the whole look. Now we're going in with the Kimberly Pink Cosmetics Dual Tip Liquid Eyeliner to finish off the look. We're definitely gonna add the eyelashes to the end of this video, so stay tuned. Let me stop chatting now. Y'all go enjoy this nice little tutorial.
Love me so good, make him want give me twins. Ever bless, boom boom, cure all him sins. Him can't leave this a pussy my festina. And no playground this fiend playing. Him beating it right, bring it to him every night. For use him stick shift and change gear in ya. Him say him never get a pussy like this. As him pushing it cocky, him want come quick and every day him say me a the tightest. Vice grip nice fitty, yeah me a the nicest.
Now let me pull my hair back because it's about to go down. Look at me, yes, and see. Now we're gonna use this Kimberly Pink Cosmetic foundation in the shade 131. Yes, we are going. Normally I mix my my foundation, but today I'm just gonna go in. Let me squeeze out all that's left out of that little last one before I move on to the new one. Oh, I forgot to wet my sponge, but oh well, I'll just work with it how it is. And we are now beating the face. Now when you hear them talk about beating the face, look at me, beating my face. That's what you talk about. That's a beat down. That's definitely a beat down. And I'm going in, beating my face for dear life so we can get a full coverage. And this is definitely a full coverage foundation, and it has SPF 15. I love this foundation. And don't worry about how it's looking right now. Watch how it looks at the end when we put all the concealer and everything in blend. What did I tell you about blending earlier? It's all in the blending, honey. Blend for dear life. Look at me blending in. Go on in and blend for dear life.
Money on my brain, say you and I are not the same. Yeah. Money on my brain, money on my brain, money on my brain, say you and I are not the same.
So here I have the Kimberly Pink Cosmetics Concealing Cream in the stick form, but we're going to be mixing these two or three. Yes, so it should be 115 and 125 we're mixing, and we're just going in. You know what to do. Mixing them together currently. Applying it under the eyes, and then we're gonna blend these out so we can. I like the T-zone, T-zone. I like in the T-zone.
Let's go. Money on my brain, money from my brain, money on my brain. Say you and I are not the same. Money on my brain, money from my brain, money on my brain. Say you and I are not the same. Ayo, listen me, never out of money and I'm never out of pocket. Yeah, I keep my nigga happy and he keep the money flowing. All the bitches ain't on my level. What the showing? Let me show you this. Like that too. See my level, it speak for itself. Look at my class. Go to hell. I can't even bother. Like, I ain't gotta waste my time on y'all. I ain't giving y'all no FaceTime, no airtime, no time.
So here I'm going in with the banana powder. I had already poured this out because my battery was dying. So I will insert a clip of what it looks like. And so you'll see exactly what I use under my eyes. The banana powder. Now I'm blending for dear life.
Keep giving me good love, good love, good love, good love.
So now I'm going to be going in with the Kimberly Pink Finishing Powder in the shade 120. And we're gonna go ahead and blend in all of that to blend everything out so we can match evenly and smoothly. And blend and blend and blend. You know, it's all in the blending.
Them know it's what we can't separate. This love when we have two great relationship goals.
Now we're going in with another finishing powder, but in a darker tone. This one is in the shade 127, and I'm just using this to contour my nose and my eyelids a bit under my eyebrows. Yes, just to, you know, give that nose a sharper, just a tiny tad sharper. Now I'm going in with my Kimberly Pink Cosmetics plumping lip gloss. Oh, I love this one, and that is in the shade Wonder. I wonder why. Now I'm lining my lip with a brown pencil just because I like that look. It's really a look that, you know, it's a long time. It's a mommy thing. I've been lining my lip like that since I've been watching my mommy. Now I'm going in with the Kimberly Pink Cosmetics, and we are in the blush palette, and we are rubbing it and we are blending it, and I'm just smiling because I'm just having fun doing this look for you. Now I am going into the Kimberly Pink Cosmetics illuminating powder, and that is in the shade number 3, and I am just highlighting away. Ooh, yes, girlfriend, look at me. Now we're going in with the Rich Behavior eyelash, and this is the final look. Oh guys, and for all of the makeup that I use is from my makeup line. Most of them, at least. I think I use stuff from other makeup line. So yes, it's Kimberly Pink Cosmetics. Yes, glowing in Kimberly Pink Cosmetics. Ooh, the sun is so bright in my face. But yes, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, because I really enjoyed making this one for you.